Man! I really hate the nature center. I wish I could get revenge on it. Oh. I know. I'll destroy the nature center. Ha 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 ha. Alright. I got my dynamite ready. Let's set it near the entrance.
What the fuck?
Yay. The nature center is gone.
I heard that. You are so grounded for blowing up my nature center. And now, it's time for once again, another punishment day. First punishment, eating a bar of soap.
Bleep.
Next punishment, eating Hal's muck.
Belly egg.
Third punishment, eating yogurt that hasn't been eaten for a month.
You. Bleep. Goog. Yuck. Gross.
Fourth punishment, changing your voice to AT&T Rich.
Oh no. My voice. Change it back to Simon. Please, do it. I want it back.
No. You're not getting it back. You will stay with the rich voice forever. And now, fifth punishment, playing the Ford Edge song while we dance.
Introducing Edge, the all-new crossover from Ford. The Edge is never dull.
Sixth punishment, go to your room.
This is so unfair.